Did you know that my grandmother from Maiduguri told me a story about a greedy man whose magical crops turned to dust? Let me share this powerful folktale with you. In 1970s, Maiduguri, when drought hit our land, Malam Audu was the richest grain merchant in the market. While families starved around him, he locked away his grain and refused to share. One day, a mysterious old woman appeared at his shop. She offered him magical seeds that would double any crop he planted. Audu's eyes lit up with greed. The magic worked perfectly. His first harvest was massive. Then he planted everything he owned, dreaming of endless wealth. His pride grew with each success. But when Audu tried to cheat the magic by stealing more seeds, everything changed. The old woman's curse struck hard. All his doubled crops crumbled into dust before his eyes. Audu lost everything. Only then did he learn the truth my grandmother always taught us. Real wealth comes from sharing with your community, not hoarding for yourself.